Wakwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie no eso samno de yedidi kan anasa de yeto so no Badwam kase samno ne yeto dwa wo mu bia wo betini yebekọ kwesimintim hospital ababeto dwa sa korla yade no amane mu so ewo ho eno ne nsem bi na no pay medebro sa Adom TV Badwam kase shame live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV 2 when same way any bebrain so uko adomonline.com so a yede agu ho fasedama ma Joy Trish won tade ba ko ene hyeme mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne de mientie se den samni chiremu etie amanebo ye free kwesimintim polyclinic eba echiremu se korola yade no amane muso pa because enipa dumienu ato nananom ensiedo
Superintendent Awo Kwesiminsin Ayaresabia Dr. Osefrimpon ene Adom News in Centroni Lotevia twetwe nkomodia fa cholera hono wodi to just say so bepiemu ewo saa empatemu a eyade a ama ne homne so pa na wohwe enipa edumienu a womo atoa na nanom wonse do a eyade a no odin pa
say your numbers ne won dey bebre ba day in day out adebachi bia na ebe de number obeba na ebi abeka ho bi abeka ho na ne crowd de obefra ne de be patients e bi mbai na wewu ansa na bo bedru ha ehwe na chese ni nyina ye cholera enti why disturbing kakra ye pese ye kache amase nyina se hunde toilet ne ba entwen toilet won tide dada ya na ekoto emodium ne flagel bi na we jai no enye no bi i cholera ne de na no ye zen papa ti se hu toilet na edimika na aba say ne ashama and na so far yenya be 19 cases I don't say you have been about 2 but right now yenya 19 new cases tinasi chene dey be boka kudu anajo 12 na ye calculate ye day no buka na wakosro say it is disturbing.
Yet also na former vice chairman Mabuso Kind Spare Parts Dealers Association Richard Obey na what the award share ni mo mampeni yato abe John Dramani Mahama ebeye ato edwa the worker ene se yenya fixed rate ema containers a yeyi efree port na edwadefo nkaye nso ye onhwe ni mo se ye mampeni yato abe enyema wono oni Adom TV kase etwaso
Yedemu kopiemu ewa Abusuo kan a enuanom a womo eton spare parts ehoniema ene Adom News in Central for twetwe nkomodia fa aban foforo enema a womo ehwe enim efri ne ho no womo de tudwa se ne dollar no ama ne homene so no womo hwe enim se wobetu so na mo na abafom enu nso etwemu a containers niema womo yi ewo port no fixed rate no obema na yedwuma na niema hodo bi a wokohye omo efa ne policies ebeboa omo no enu nso no wode ye adwuma
oni ehia no o promise even in manifesto no kro de ahyem say oba obetry say containers say yi free abo no obema ye fixed rate nti ye expect say nyame aye adom a wabai sa fixed rate no de be ye adwuma
yes saban say dollar no abamba akono ni utimi $1 bank utiko bank utimi $1 yes send pa wabai de momodi ana omo ye ni
wo niam bebre bona ensem bona popa because ohwe mpuntudwuma aban odi atwamu yi na fa se kufodo aban no edi gugu akwan mu ne ne oyeye a ye Ghana fo no tinka se wanya hwe no a anse na Ghana fo be tinka se aban we aye bibi no esa so in times 2 times 3 times 4 anse na Ghana fo akwan den aton ye
mampani a Ghana ato abe ye John Dramani Mahama na ene yi wo se obehwe na waye investigation hwehwemu dia fa enipa bi a wo yabato ayeto no nanoa day 2024 yi mu yi enama bato no so na wahwere wormo enkwa no behwe na waye hwehwemu de afa ho European Union panifo enema ni chinkwa wo no nhia ya wo de sansemi etudwa
Sansem yo de tudwe enamaye enipa mienu bi a womoto anananom ewo nsiedo abra abato ekoso ewo wutu senya east nyankpala ewo tolong constituency.
Let me take this off a bit. I have a bit of a cold, so yeah, thank you very much. We have a long-standing relationship with the EU and we value that relationship very well. The EU is one of our major trading partners and economic cooperation partners. And so I want to assure you that we want to, like you said, not only maintain the relationship, but raise it even to another level. A lot of the foreign direct investment that comes into our country comes from the EU. And we want to deepen that, especially in the current economic crisis in which we find ourselves, where we are shut out from the international capital markets. And so we have to do as much as possible to increase foreign direct investment so that we can keep productivity, we can keep employment, and be able to find jobs for our young people.
Ghana mampani yato abe John Dramani Mahama na wasadi ato Ghana fo nyina nim se na memomo no onye enyimu se bi ene ya NDC yemrahwebejafo na do so asen MPP ntino bia ebeye bibia ohoda bi ebeye adwuma no pepepe se de amamra ne se e wo mrahwebejafiem.
United States of America abo mampini asisi womo electino John Dramani Mahama abasopa enam Electoral Commission about the betudwa se o mampini John Dramani Mahama ena edi nkunimu abato ekoso afi 2024 nim ensemo a womo ekruchi egu nkrata so no United States of America Secretary of State Anthony J. Blinken ena kasafa ho womo esan ebo ne Vice President elect Nana Jane Opoku Ajima enso abaso se we ni de dikan Ghana ebenya eye omampeni abedi echi a oyoba US United States SI ebo Electoral Commission Civil Society ene abambofo ewo Ghana wanamuntu a womotu ama abato no akoso asumdwem na mu ada ho fan womo SI so ekasafa ekwan a MPP womo presidential candidate Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia entempara ohun se abato no enkoma MPP amanyoko no wobagitu mu se wono de ohun se president elect John Dramani Mahama an wedding kunim wasandi tudwa se nkaboma eda Ghana ene United States entem no womo be hyemu kina.
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso efshano na US aban so na ebo mampani ayato abayi no Ghana John Dramani Mahama baso se nei Electoral Commission abonidin se wono ene mampani ayato abayi no wonso megun krata so wonchocho ni sa ehya so Vice President wono so eba yoba Professor Nana Jane Opoku Ajima so wabona baso pa wabakosemu no oba odikan se eye Vice President
Akwatia constituency.
United States of America abo mampini asisi womo electino John Dramani Mahama abasopa enam Electoral Commission about the betudwa se o mampini John Dramani Mahama ena edi nkunimu abato ekoso afi 2024 nim ensemo a womo ekruchi egu nkrata so no United States of America Secretary of State Anthony J. Blinken ena kasafa ho womo esan ebo ne Vice President elect Nana Jane Opoku Ajima enso abaso se we ni de dikan Ghana ebenya eye omampeni abedi echi a oyoba US United States SI ebo Electoral Commission Civil Society ene abambofo ewo Ghana wanamuntu a womotu ama abato no akoso asumdwem na mu ada ho fan womo SI so ekasafa ekwan a MPP womo presidential candidate Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia entempara ohun se abato no enkoma MPP amanyoko no wobagitu mu se wono de ohun se president elect John Dramani Mahama an wedding kunim wasandi tudwa se nkaboma eda Ghana ene United States entem no womo be hyemu kina.
Electoral Commission afe we declare eneskumi se wono enem rahwebedwani adehia to abayi no e wa kwati abato mpesua no eso ye to aba ne wie ye no nchinyi wa hyew koso mentime ho asenti no na wo se tabire firi akwati ampotemu ho na ye de eba commission no wono atena ya na bambo mu odin edimu akotena ewi akire no na ye se MPP parliamentary candidate eneskumi na adehia ato aba ma no
Akwati constituency. NS Kumi had 19,269 votes. Henry Adom had 17,206 votes. total valid votes 36,475. Total rejected 294. Total vote cast 36,769. With this, or based on the results so far, based on the results mentioned, and on behalf of the chairperson, I declare Ernest Kumi as the MP elect for Akwatia constituency.
Enti wasa declaration ya yede ama Ernest Kumi no NDC amanyoko Dr. Peter Badwam otuko no se wonyi ntumu nne enyi ntumu china.
To compare and be sure that nobody has posted the elections gone to amend the pink sheets. And so we check the veracity of the pink sheets. Incidentally, Electoral Commission has come that they have made some of their pink sheets, but they are holding some duplicate pink sheets. And the other parties are not having pink sheets at all. They are having photocopies of what seemingly is considered a pink sheet. But we don't have a problem with that. What we have a problem is the pink sheets that we have, the numbers should tally with what they have. And so what we have agreed on is that if EC mentions the polling station and they have the pink sheets, we check our pink sheets if we have it. If the MPP has it, then we check the consistency in the numbers, then we add. If the Electoral Commission is having the pink sheet and we do not have, and the MPP is not having, they can use it. If they have a pink sheet and MPP is having and we don't have, we must interrogate, flag that polling station and interrogate whether it is consistent with our entries, the original entries on our computer. If it is consistent, we don't have a problem. If it is inconsistent, then that polling station must be flagged. And that's the arrangement that we have put across. And we believe that is a very peaceful arrangement that will allow us to collate the results peacefully. Then if we are declared the winners, we go. We know that we have won the elections. We are confident we have won the elections. And so any attempt to rig the elections will be resisted. And that is why we have sat here since morning trying to collate the results to make sure that we are declared the winners of Nsawam.
How many of the constituencies in the Eastern region are you party to in this whole recollation?
Well, for now, 3. We were invited to come and deal with 3. And so we are here with the 3. The Akwatia, the Suhum, and then Nsawam. Unfortunately, Akwatia, our people ran a little bit late and they had to force and do the coalition against the fierce resistance that we exhibited.
Ora, Alexander Fenyomakin, so NDC for support one more. Ashedapa na poyamante mu abaton pesua no so bi won ma ye ne se yemfa de odi emrahebedwa akonya ne din ememeto edwa eno so nsema odi tudwa eni.
They have actually compiled their results. It's before them, and they are just frustrating the process, delaying the process. They've compiled, they know they've lost. In their own collected figures, they know they've lost. And now they are saying that they cannot find their pink sheets. So they want to rely on the EC pink sheet. When a figure is mentioned, they now go tracing, pretending they don't have the pink sheet. And yet, they have compiled their results. I think that the NDC should stop this. It won't help us. This is not democracy. You know you lost, but you want to just frustrate the process when they've compiled their own results. When we compiled our results and we knew that the presidential results were not in our favor, we conceded. Why would you come here knowing your results, yet you would frustrate the process? Anyway, we have all the world's patience. We believe in due process. We would have patience and wait. And whatever they do, at the end of the day, my respected colleague, Honorable Frank Anodombre, who is their target, will remain victorious. They cannot defeat him. We have all our pink sheets. We have scanned them also. We have soft copies and we have everything compiled. So we have nothing to fear at all.
Mainya no sono Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pɛ ye de siasa da na ya wodia omre na wada age a wode ma yenti wada wo ma twen yem biem na yemfa de bon krata na kan ne no ento aso ye nche kura etwe ho ba sima mienu miensa ye ba e beto aso.